Hello. Today, so many people were calling me, telling me to do my guam 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 in English that most of my friends don't understand. So I think I will be mixing it up. So today, I want to know how many ladies, like how many single ladies, will tell the man that want to marry them that they had a baby before getting married to him. How many will confess that to their guy? But wait, do you think that is important to confess before you get married that you had a baby or not? Comment, like, and share. Have a nice day.